Ladies and gentlemen, old guy coming at you. Got a message. Sorry about the lighting. Got a message just arrived about a little demo event, or not a demo event, but I got a message about a show off of a new model of bike, and I've been super excited to see these two bikes. So move some work stuff around so I could come out here and see these bikes for the first time. I'm going to share it with everybody because I don't know about everybody else, but my favorite class of bike right now is the lightweight, low cc, more beginner style bikes. And I think those bikes are getting so good. And when these were launched, said that they're going to bring these out, I was super excited and I'm dying to see it. So let's take a walk and go on in and see what these are like. So here we go. I think we're kind of busy today. So I don't think I'm the only person out here coming out to see these bikes. So let's see what we got. Out here Triumph and Waukesha. Because what we're going to be looking at are the Speed 400 and the Scrambler 400X. Yeah, it's pretty good crowd in here today. So ladies and gentlemen, the 2024 Speed 400. I like the black. Inverted front forks. MSRP 4949, $5,000 basically. And for $5,000, man, the styling is really nice. I like the paint. So we got, like I said, inverted front fork. This is a 398cc single cylinder engine, producing, they're claiming about 39 horsepower, 27 foot-pounds of torque on both. So they're both claiming about the same amount of power. It's the same engine. I believe that they re-geared the Scrambler right here. It has different front tooth to give it a little bit more low end, or a little bit more torque versus the top end speed. I really want to jump on this thing and take it for a ride, but I can't. Not until probably around January. But I guarantee you, I will get a ride on both of these bikes. So we got the Speed. Now let's look at the Scrambler. We got the off-road style tires, which is really nice. A lot of these are add-ons, I'm thinking. I don't think these are stock. Crash protection. Skid plate this is stock though. That's metal. That's nice. So you got a metal skid plate, which is great. I really don't like it when they release bikes like this that don't have skid plates. Man. Big 19-inch front wheel on the Scrambler. Which is really nice. Cannot wait to give this thing a shot. Let's see if I can get somebody to hold the camera so I can actually get a seat on these and check the rider position. So, yeah, 5'9". The balls of my feet. Non-adjustable brake and clutch to start off with, but that's okay. That's just an aftermarket thing. For $5,000,
Not bad. Comfort-wise? Yeah. Seats pretty comfortable. Around mirrors. I like it. Check the Scrambler. A little bit taller. I believe this is 31 inches. 32. Yeah, a little bit longer travel suspension. Front shocks, preloaded rear. The dash configuration, relatively simple. There are no keys, I can't turn it on, but you got an LCD here to show most likely trip and odometer, fuel range, probably a gear indicator, but again, I can't write it yet. So, all right, everybody. I wanted to take a minute because I just got home. I plugged in the camera. I was looking at, I was trying to listen, but didn't get the greatest of audio as I was trying to sit on the bike. So I figured I'd just make a final button up. It didn't disappoint going to see these bikes. They were super nice to see. Very much enjoyed getting the chance to see the bikes. Really looking forward to getting a chance to ride them. Triumph from Agusta is going to give me a call when they get their first set in. And I don't care if it's in the middle of January. As long as the roads are pretty good, I'm going to go up and get my first ride. Because I really liked both bikes quite a bit. I think this Street 400 is going to be a phenomenal beginner bike just based on how it looks, and the only thing about it was the fact that it is tall. 31 inches is a pretty good high seat height for some beginner riders. But the weight kind of negates that because it's only 370 pounds, so it's not heavy at all. I'm 5'9", obviously, and I was on the balls of my feet. The Scrambler is, I think, going to be really popular with experienced riders. Because at $5,500, $56, it's still less than 400 pounds. It's got a good amount of power at 39 and 27 foot-pounds of torque. It's going to be really popular amongst the experienced kind of scrambler crowd. Obviously, you got the Himalayan that's about the same price, and plus they're making the 450 Himalayan, which is going to probably be around the same as far as horsepower. But I don't know. It's going to be interesting. That's why I said in the beginning, the lower displacement bikes are getting so good now, and it is so much fun to push a slower bike fast than it is to ride a bigger bike slow. I mean, I love riding super sports, and I mean, while I was there, I went and sat on the new 2024 Speed Triple. It's not really that much different, but it's really cool. But I can't push that to its limits on the street, but I can push that Speed 400 to its limits. I could take that Scrambler 400 just about anywhere. So the smaller bikes really kind of capture my attention right now, and I think that class of bike is pushing the attention of a lot of new riders. and even a lot of experienced riders, it's pushing their attention down lower in the CCs and lower in power than the larger displacement bikes. So just how I'm feeling right now. Like I said, I'm going to get on one the second I can. I'll get a video out of both bikes because I'm still super excited to get on the road with them. So thanks everybody for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the things. I'd appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one.
So turn your back.